In today's personal development video, I will be talking about gifts, skills, and talent. I will also be showing you my natural hair that I've been growing now on this natural hair journey for the last 2 years, talking to you a little bit about how those three things, gifts, talents, and skills, comes into play on my natural hair journey. But the stuff I talk about in today's video is applicable in whatever area of your life. Let's get into today's video. Welcome back to all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you stopping by my channel and checking out my content. It really does mean a lot to me. Let's do the video. So if you're new around here, welcome. My name is Siobhan, simply Shev, and I make videos on taking care of natural hair. It's a channel that's based around just simple methods of taking care of your natural hair, mini twists, mini braids, and just styling your natural hair. And so if you are interested in, this is your first video, check out my playlist section. I talk to you in detail about growing your natural hair. We've just finished a 3-month mini braid hair growth challenge, and that's really helped me to reach the length that you're seeing. And as you can see, I'm really enjoying my natural hair. In this video, I'm just messing about with some styles, playing around in my hair. It's really satisfying to see all the hard work that I've done is paid off. I'm seeing a difference in the length and the thickness of my hair. So do go ahead, check out all my previous videos, especially the videos in this last 3 months growth challenge. So as I stated before, this is a personal growth, personal self-development growth video. So I'm going to be talking a little bit about gifts. What are you gifted at? So I started really doing natural hair at about the age of 9, and I didn't actually think that I could do hair. I was messing about in my own hair for like a long time, just trying to get how to cornrow, how to twist, and the various parts of actually doing a style, right? And so I did that for a number of years. None of the parts were straight, etc. And so I did that for a while. I learned from one of my cousins how to actually start doing hair. After a while, I realized that this was a gift. So a gift is something that you willingly give to someone without any sort of reward or expectation. The fact I'm doing my natural hair is a gift because my cousin actually helped me to start doing natural hair. I started to understand doing natural hair in a different sort of way to her. So then you could say it's a gift element there. I would say given by God. And the third element is that I realized that this was my gift to the body of Christ. So I found myself, even at the age of probably 16, 17, 18, doing members of my church's hair with this gift that's been given to me that I started to give to others. So what is it that you've been given? What is it that God has given you? And what is it that you can give to others? And that's how I define a gift, because it's sometimes we just think about gift in terms of receiving. And so here I'd been given this gift to do hair. And every person that would come to my house, or I'd go to church and we'd hang out, I would do their hair. And I realized after a while I was never giving anyone the same hairstyle. It was always different, and that was my gift to them, this unique hairstyle, this, coming to me not knowing what to do in their hair and leaving with a style that they could have for a couple of weeks and feeling really good about themselves. And I felt really good about that. After a while, I did get some payment, but it wasn't really payment as going to the hairdresser. So I define a gift as something that, you've been given by God and you willingly give to others. That is a gift. So if you are watching this video, what is it that you are really gifted at in this season of personal growth? It's not just all about receiving. You have to think about how you can stretch your gift to others. And I've shown other people how to do hair, started on this channel. So we're going to talk now a little bit about skill. Of course, I wasn't very skilled in doing natural hair as far as I was concerned. The styles that I would do would be very straightforward, but they would look different. Each person's hair would look different. They weren't twisty or love hearts or diamond shaped braids, but they looked differently. They were quite simple but elegant. And so I didn't think I was a very skilled stylist, but I managed to create each style to look different from the other. And I believe that's a skill, to actually take someone's hair and and not know what to do with it, and then, turn it into something else. And then again, it comes to the fact that it's a gift given by God to actually make that person do it. When it comes on to doing my hair, I realized after a while that, people was admiring the work and thinking, oh, wow, you're doing such a good job. And I thought to myself, how can I actually start to share this information with the world? And that took many years. I really wish I started my YouTube channel a while ago, because I would have been able to share, the growth in how I styled hair and my gift a lot earlier on. But I'm so thankful that I managed to learn the skills such as editing and doing videos and speaking confidently in order to be able to put this out, and actually to be brave enough to film myself to do this. And so I believe that there's an element of skill that you need on your personal growth journey. I'm developing. One of my goals this year is to actually get better at editing, and I thought about, and I do want to still get an editor, but I want to be able to share my gift in a better way, and in order to do that, I need to develop my skill. So a skill then is defined as the ability to do something very well. I want to be able to do my hair channel, imparting the knowledge that I've got around hair to you in a skilled way. That will be developing my editing, but that will also be about learning the hair practices that comes on this natural hair. Everyone's hair is different, and so this natural hair journey, as I share with you, I want to become more skilled at imparting that information. I know the power of YouTube and that these videos will be around for a long time. I want to be as transparent as possible, and I want to my children's children to be able to watch this, and the information to be, time limitless. And so that's a skill that takes a great skill to be able to pass information on in a way that's easy to understand. So what is a skill area that you're trying to develop in? And I'd love some comments down below in the comment section. And finally, before I touch on talent, I want to remind you that this is a natural hair growth channel, and if you've not checked out any of my playlists, please do so. Please also remember to subscribe to this channel. I'm posting videos very regularly on how to grow your natural hair. Also hit the like button, hit the notification bell so you know when I post. Also leave me a comment down below if this video is very short. If it's spoken to you in any way about skill, gift or talent, do comment down below. Do let it be a conversation in the comment section. I'd love to hear from all of my subscribers, and I hope, as well as the hair content, that this is providing value for you. One of the main comments that I get on this channel is about the fact that I'm really persistent and I really pursue my natural hair journey. I don't quit and I continue, and I believe that this fits very nicely with talent, because talent, as defined by myself, is the mental strength to pursue something and to become excellent at it so that you're very skilled, and then it seems like a gift, right? So you're talented because you've worked at that thing. As I've said before, natural hair growth, natural hair is my passion. It's been my hobby for a very, very long time, and so over time I've become talented because of the hard work. You see that I filmed the videos, and I've been doing so for 2 years, along with the main job. I've created over what you can now see, over 300 videos, and that takes an immense amount of repetition in order to learn my hair, which is low density. It's not, a lot of YouTubers that you see, and not to knock them, their natural hair has been something that they've always been complimented on. It looks a certain way, it's a certain texture, and so coming onto YouTube is just an addition to that. For myself, my hair has been badly damaged. Most of the natural hair journeys that I've been on have not been successful, and so this is just trying to be me. I am very persistent, and I thought if I started a YouTube channel, I'm going to get good at it, and it will be my talent that I can actually grow my natural hair. And so if there is something that you want to get really good at, you want to get really talented at, you need to work on it. It's not easy to film these videos, to do the work that it takes to even put this challenge or channel together. But I do that because I want to be talented at doing my hair. So if you like, talent is a combination of the previous two, the gift and the skill. and then you need the mental energy to continue. Once again, I make, the reference to hair because this is a hair channel, but this is a personal growth. Whatever it is, you're going to need to try and apply those 3 things to become a master, to become excellent at it, or just to do the thing. A lot of the time with us, we actually just need to do the thing, and over the time you'll get skilled and talented at doing the thing. And God has gifted a lot of us with a lot of stuff, and we don't seem to want to venture into being skilled or talented. If you are interested in seeing my whole natural hair journey, there's tons of playlists. I've got a video called Watch This If You've Never Had Long Hair Before, which tells you my hair growth story. I feel like you should start there if this is your first video. Even if you've been a subscriber for a while, watch that video to see where I'm coming from, to really see that I've worked really hard to get hair. Once again, the combination of having a gift that you give back, and also having the skill, and also the talent, the ability to work on that skill that is a gift, then you'll be able to impart. And I hope you are getting value from my YouTube channel. I want to say a big shout out to all my new subscribers. This channel is really growing around the mini braids content, and so there'll be plenty of videos. I filmed so much content around mini braids. I've also got all the comparisons for you. Thank you and take care. God bless.